Mahina to, very slow talaga. Siya yung pinaka-early guys. Hi guys, magandang umaga, good morning sa lahat. Welcome back to the channel. So ngayong araw, share ko na naman sa inyo yung travel experience ko papuntang Tabawan. So ito yung complete itinerary kung ikaw ay magta-travel sa
Hi, I am
Tabawan.
watching
South Obian,
Tabawan South Obian complete travel itinerary. The walk tour to floating houses in Tawi-Tawi Sinama Tribe.
Starting point natin is sa Bungaw pa
And
rin.
the YouTube channel is Cecile Tabuan. Cecile, C-E-C-I-L, Cecile Tabuan, T-A-B-U-A-N, Tabuan. Cecile Tabuan.
Kung saan ka man pupunta dito
I believe he's
Tawi-Tawi ng mga
also,
isla.
and he
So, ayan guys.
is traveling from Bungaw to Tabawan, South Obian, Tawi-Tawi, Mindanao, Philippines.
Sa mga tao kasi sagutin din ka lang naman din.
I kind of like him
So
because,
ayan guys, early in the morning,
he's
yung pala sa Tabawan guys, yung
he's a
travel
vlogger
guys,
who
alas
is
7,
promoting
dapat dito pa na mga 7 AM
the
sa
islands in
Lansa.
South Obian, Tawi-Tawi,
At saka
Mindanao,
make
Philippines,
sure
and beyond that
meron
as well,
ka rin mapagstingan
especially
doon. Kung wala kang
the islands
mapagstingan,
in
pwede ka lang naman
Taba-
siguro
the islands in
mag-coordinate sa tourism.
Mindanao,
Kung marami kayo,
you know?
mag-coordinate kayo sa tourism kasi meron silang speedboat
like for
kaya sa
example, si
package na yung
Tangkay,
bayad.
si Butur, Tabawan, si Munul. You know, I was expecting that he would go to Nusa South Obian, Tawi-Tawi, Mindanao, Philippines, or Bintalan, but he didn't. I would try to comment on his channel that he should have gone to
Sa akin na regular
Nusa
traveler,
South Obian, Tawi-Tawi, Mindanao, Philippines. Who is watching now?
Lalansa ako. So yung pamasahe ng lansa dito is 300 pesos. Bali, mga luma na yung lansa dito guys.
Yeah,
Alam mo
Lansa
na
from
matagal dumating.
Bungaw to
7, mga
Tabawan.
8:30 or 8 aalis. Pero darating
It's a
siya mga
walking tour.
alas 5 ng hapon.
And by the
Dapat
way,
guys. So since Ramadan,
the recent
wala din akong baon. Kasi nga,
the recent
fasting.
spiff
So,
on
pag regular days naman guys, magbaon kayo kasi magdating to. Minsan nga 7 or 7
You know,
magdating.
this
Dati
is
yung
about
mahina yung lansa
Vladimir
dito sa mga-
Putin
basta sa Tabawan,
criticizing
mga
the Western
luma na yung mga lansa nila. Actually,
economic
pag puso yung sasakyan mo, malapit lang sa mga 1 or 2 p.m. nandun ka na sa Tabawan. Pero walang puso yata doon magta-travel. Madadaanan na yung Tabawan guys.
I forgot the word.
Bali ka sa Bungaw.
I try.
So yan guys, alis na yung
The
yung
Western
lansa namin.
economic
Sobrang hina,
structures.
talaga.
The Western economic structures.
Siya yung pinaka-
Yes, for
guys,
example,
wala
especially
pang
now,
masyado,
especially
mga
recently
lansa
that I
na
was
dumaon. Wala pang masyado kasi
that I
mga
saw a
lansa,
news
yung mga
where
lansa dyan is
Republicans,
mga
these
10
American,
or 11
where Republicans and
Ito yung
Democrats,
pinaka-early
you know,
guys,
have been
Tabawan.
have been
Tapos,
donating
yung
billions
Tuesday,
of dollars
Thursday,
just to
hindi
destroy
araw-araw, guys. Sobrang hirap. Pero doon
people's
naman sa
life
Tabawan,
and
guys, meron
communities.
siyang lansa
You know,
papuntang,
the Western
Zamboanga City. Kung ikaw ay
economic
papunta na sa
structures
Zamboanga, I don't know kung magkano yung
have been
pamasahe,
feeling,
hindi pa na-try.
you know,
So ayan guys, alis na kami.
people around the
Papakita
world,
ko naman sa inyo yung,
because
ano,
now,
experience
for example,
sa
now
lugar.
I'm watching, I mean,
Saka maglakad-lakad tayo sa lugar ng Tabawan.
those
Marami
money
na
that
akong,
have been
walking tour
that
dito sa
have been
Tabawan.
wasted
Dito
by the
sa
Western
Tabawan. I-check
power
mo yung mga previous
should have been,
videos
I mean,
ko.
should have been
Makikita niyo.
like
Sa mga hindi pa nakapunta,
used, should have been used to build this undeveloped countries, have been used to develop projects, to develop projects for the underdeveloped countries, for example, in Bangladesh or in Pakistan, I mean in the Philippines. That should be the focus of the Western countries. You know, the economic structure should be focused on the underdeveloped because you know, the return, like for example me, I've been kind to people and I've been giving, even when I was in high school, elementary and in college, I was like giving answers. Like because I was a studious, yes, I was an honor student. I gave answers to those who need it. Like, and now it's like everything is given to me. Everything has been given to me in return. I mean, like, for example, in part of the education or learning that I'm having is like everything has been like coming to my phone is like giving. I keep receiving things that are needed for me to to inform the especially the ordinary citizens who are who are uninformed about the global issues especially. So yes, the importance of being kind is like because it will come back. It's like when you give. I mean, it is like the more you give, the more you receive, and that's what that's what in my experience, I have been receiving help throughout my life. So the Western economic structures have failed humanity. Like recently, when I saw how the war have destroyed, for example, Ukraine or the Middle East. I mean, like, aren't you helping people in order for the citizens of that country or that community be prosperous, so that when they are prosperous and that when they pay forward what because they were helped, so they will helping so they could help other people to prosper instead of destroying lives in the Middle East and in Ukraine. And it shouldn't be like that. That's why I agree with Vladimir Putin when he criticized the Western economic structures, and also the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy. Like now, I am watching the islands, the underdeveloped. I mean, what could billions or $1 trillion that have been destroying lives, destroying business in the war-torn areas or the countries? What could have $1 billion or $1 trillion help to build the underdeveloped, especially to the places that is the most isolated. For example, in the Philippines, I come from a very very humble, very humble beginning. So, and now I am quite arrogant because I don't care if I'm arrogant. I'm just trying to preach the hypocrisy of the Western countries of democracy.
Before we had a name,
Anyway, who is watching? Who is Muhammad?
we are often assigned
I'm gonna look. I have to look for your name. Maina Ina.
Some would temporarily,
Maina Ina.
while others stay with us for life.
Ina in Bajau is mother.
But behind every
There
is a person who
Maina
dares
Ina ni orang mana?
to dream.
Cakap bahasa
A
apa?
drive in the world full of
Bajau
possibilities,
ka? Sebab saya ni
crafting our
orang
very own
Bajau.
recipe of life.
Orang Bajau.
Because we are not
Maina
just
ni
a
orang
young
apa? Boleh komentar?
Hi, Sherry. Please try this. Yes, I'm gonna
Orang Filipina pun I can speak. Saya boleh bercakap
the
Tagalog,
Lions Bank,
tapi
the bank for life.
Bajau paling best lah kalau Bajau.
Tapos dito guys, kaganda
But
dito
international
parang,
because I speak
pagtatas
about
ng
about
tubig.
geopolitical
Tapos
issues. So meaning I have to
bali
speak
malinis siya.
English
Maraming
because
naliligo dyan.
I
Idol pala
studied
sa kanila,
Bachelor
malinis
of Arts
kasi
major in
sa akin,
English.
ito
So
lang,
yes,
maligo-
my
maligo
specialty
naman
is
dito, guys.
English.
So,
So
depende na yan sa
so yes, you
immune
all
system. Pero I think,
can comment below.
malinis naman yung tubig pag sa dagat
Tagalog,
kasi nga,
Malay,
maalat siguro na
Bajau.
naliligo yung germs. Tapos yung mga
Yes,
dumi pala ng
yes,
mga
you
tao,
can
ito,
you
meron
can
yung parang
comment
mga septic tank dito, yung
below
mga bato.
using your own language
hindi
because
naman
I,
direct. Yung
you
iba
know,
siguro the direct
and
sa
English as
tubig,
well
pero
because I understand. I can speak as well, but
so kayo
I
na
will
lang
focus on
judge dyan.
speaking
So,
English.
yun, guys, yung
This is
system
for
nila,
the,
guys.
you know, for the
Nakadlaman lahat.
international
Sobrang ganda dito yun.
uh,
Kulang na lang siguro dito
audiences,
kung gawa nila
for the
ng
international
katulad doon
audiences.
sa Sitangkay, yung parang
Anyway, yes.
sentro niya, yung poblasyon na maraming nagtitinda ng
Yes,
isda.
this Western
Tapos sa gitna may
economic
ano siya, may
structures have
mga
failed
bahay-bahay. Maganda
humanity.
yung ganun, guys, na system.
There are a lot of
Yun
people
ang
who
kulang
need
dito sa
help.
Tabawan at saka
That's
marami
why
kasi mga
I
establishment
support
doon sa
China.
sa ano,
I
sa
support
Sitangkay.
China. You know,
Sitangkay pa
it's
lang.
led
Maraming
by Xi
establishment
Jinping.
dito compare dito sa Tabawan. Pero
It's
similar
led by Xi
talaga
Jinping,
yung ano,
and also of
pagpunta ka
course
dito
Russia.
sa Tabawan.
That is led
Similar
by
talaga
Vladimir
to
Putin.
Sa Sitangkay, guys. And I think kung mag-improve pa dito yung Tabawan,
So
siguro
my
mahabol
critic
na
is
yung,
to
Sitangkay. Kung maraming
to
magawa
help
dito, kung merong mga
to help the
businesses,
Western,
marami
you
na
know,
sa pupunta ng
the
Macau.
Westerners who have
Pupunta
been
din
preaching
naman
about
ng Macau kasi
democracy,
doon
but
galing yung mga
you know,
products nila.
all they do is
Then, guys,
destroying
mga kabayan,
people's
dito pa sa
life,
ilalim, ito yung
livelihood, you know,
experience
around
mo.
the world. So
Pagkatapos dito, guys, is lilibot tayo,
the hypocrisy,
lalakad tayo,
the hypocrisy.
lalakarin natin
So that's why I would just, you know, I
hindi
just
kayo nakapunta
tell them
sa
just
Tawi-Tawi,
shut
sa
up,
Tabawan,
Western
meron kayong mga
people.
ideya kung anong meron. So, maglakad-lakad tayo, walking
And
tour
yes,
na naman,
with
yun lang naman yung purpose
with the
natin,
current
para
administrations
mapakita ko
of
sa inyo yung
Donald
experience,
Donald Trump, the
yung
47th
mga
President of the
barangay,
United States of
dadaanan natin. Wala
America,
tayong food vlog ngayon kasi,
you are Jew. I mean, you are
Ramadan,
finished,
yung
Donald
Ramadan.
Trump.
So,
You're finished, Donald Trump.
lakad-lakad naman
Finished.
tayo.
You are
Then
Jew.
guys, sinabi ko na sa inyo sa previous videos ko, very peaceful dito. Wala kang makikita dito nagiinom ng alak. Wala kang maano dito na lasing.
Anil Pardesi invites you to
Walang mga
host.
uso, walang basta sobrang
Not now,
peaceful lang,
darling.
dito contented yung mga tao kung anong meron sa kanila. Meron silang panghanap buhay din.
I'm
Yung
currently in
source of
Tabawan,
income nila
Tabawan,
dito
South
is
Subian,
seaweeds
Territory,
din
Mindanao,
at saka
Philippines.
mga
A lot of
isda.
people are inviting me. A lot of people are inviting me
Very fresh.
to do live with them.
Hindi ka dumaan sa pressure, kakakuha lang, tapos i-benta nila. At saka sobrang mura guys kasi walang ibang kompetensya dito. Sila-sila lang din yung anak buhay dito, nagtitinda ng isda. Sila-sila lang din. So yan guys, focus pa na tayo. Enjoy nyo na lang yung video. Comment down below kung saan pa yung ano natin, yung ultimate punta. So ito na pala yung last na ano ko, tour sa Tawi-Tawi. Naikot na natin yung si Tangkay, si Munol, Tandubas. Yung pang-5 sugala lang pala yung hindi natin napuntahan. I think sa mga susunod-sunod na buwan, sa mga June, babalik ako dito sa Tawi-Tawi. Ikot na naman tayo sa
Yeah, if
pang-5
anyone
natin.
can
Tapos
hear.
babalik naman tayo sa mga iba't ibang mga munisipyo dito sa
Why don't I
Tawi-Tawi.
see
Total
tap,
natin
tap,
yung
tap?
pang-5.
Tap, 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 please. Who is watching? Tap, 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 tap.
Ano lang yun, yung highway lang.
Mimi
Share ko lang
Jesus.
sa inyo kung ano na yung road condition papuntang Languyan. So, shout out pala sa mga Tabawan dyan. Kung
Yeah,
meron
shout
akong
out to
followers
those,
sa Tabawan,
especially
shout out
from
dyan.
Tabawan
So, dito ako sa lugar ninyo.
and
Sa mga
Bian,
barangay ninyo, baka madaanan natin yung mga
and also from
bahay
Bintalan,
ninyo
South
dito sa
Subian, Territory,
Tabawan.
Mindanao,
So,
Philippines.
yan lang yung share ko guys. Enjoy watching. Thank you.
Thanks for being here, Maina Ina. What else? Who else? Encourage your viewers to share your live and invite more friends. Whoever is here, he's here. Whoever is not here shouldn't be here. So discussing the impact of Western economic structures. Yes, I just did. Thank you very much. AI summaries. Catching up. More likes can attract viewers. Keep it up. Practicing, discussing geopolitical issues like Western economics and the Ukraine war, and also the Middle East war. I mean, like these Arab countries, they're so rich, and this little Palestine, like
Company redefining
This
space
little
travel,
Palestine, they
going
couldn't,
public. Open an XM
they couldn't
account in
even,
minutes. Be ready for launch. Don't miss
have,
this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
like, economically.
Join
I mean, like,
XM today and get a
for example,
100%
even me,
deposit
if I was given an opportunity to leave a country, I mean, economically, I should have been, I should have been given, I should have been given money to leave and travel. But I mean, who wants to leave? No Palestinians would want to stay there. Just like, for example, I mean, like, it's suicidal. I mean, if money are being used wisely, I mean, like, but take it from me, if I was given money, like, this is 1 billion. Go wherever you go, buy a house and then that billion will be multiplied and buying home and get more Palestinians get out of that ghetto. I mean, it's just a simple math. Just like, for example, a lot of Filipinos who who chose Western countries. I mean, like, then they left their countries because it's running from poverty, for example, in Asian countries, running from poverty and the corruptions that are, for the obvious reasons, discuss. Yes, you can manage it. Just imagine that nobody has to leave their house, but if they are forced to leave their house, like those people in Palestine, they should be, here's the money, go away. Like, here's the money. For example, if Raz, I'm staying with Raz, so if I was like given money, okay, go and travel and and leave. For example, I would absolutely, absolutely. No, everybody wants to live in peace. Everybody wants to live in peace. Like, nobody wants to be disturbed, for example. And I think it's how the money is being spent. And I think the failed leadership, that's why I mean, like this, I'm still I have hope with Vladimir Putin. Currently, I have hope with Vladimir Putin. Lucky button. I have hope with Vladimir Putin. He has started the movements. Vladimir Putin has started the movements. Just this tweet. So keep it up, Putin. And of course, you can have Ukraine. You can have Ukraine, of course. You can have Ukraine. You can even have the whole Western countries under you if you keep doing what you're doing. Vladimir Putin. You can even have all the Western countries, all these Western countries with bad economic structures. Yes, if you can do what I believe I can, helping those undeveloped countries. Of course, I mean, prove that you can be trusted and not just like complaining about the Western, not just criticizing. You have the power of Vladimir Putin, just like Xi Jinping, just like these Chinese have been complaining about the Western countries. You all have the power. You all have the power. You all have the money, but you didn't. Just like that's why I love Vladimir. That's why I love Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel. That's why I love how he teach. Violence for violence. Violence breeds violence. Yes, we can talk about the outsiders, for example, the non-violent people, could see that is barbaric what is happening. But with them, they are used to it. The Arabs are used to it. The Arabs are used to this violence. So yes, so of course, for the Asians, we are not used to the violence. So that's why we think it's barbaric. But for them, it's a way of life for them. So it's a way of life, meaning it's like, yeah, let's just watch. Let's just watch. Violence breeds violence, and who is the head of the warmonger is the head of the warmonger. If for example, if they want war, who are they supporting? Who should they supporting? Benjamin Netanyahu, and now I saw the news that the Arabs are trying to convince the United Nations to imprison Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu bombed them, flattened them, and I support you. I support you. That's how you teach. I mean,
becoming too visually dominant in the space.
bomb, flatten the whole media if you must. Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel, if you must, you know better because you are such, you are such the ringleader of the you are such the best warlord. So yes, flatten them, carpet bomb them. Yes, yes, for us, for the Asians, for example, even Chinese, the non-violent works, but for for those who have been, whose lifestyle is like based on,
terminal
based
nila
on
doon naman na nisyo, masok pa yung nisyo.
crimes and violence. So
What's up, Dad?
yeah, I mean,
Namarain na. Kapuso.
that's the way of life. For example, yes, I don't, if the little Israel, and I just saw the parade for Israel. It's like asking for donation, asking for donation. Israel is asking for donation. I mean, like the Israelis or those support. Bullshit.
Mm-hmm. Pag-analyze mo na katan.
So Tabawan, I mean, like a lot of billion or trillion dollars could have helped.
Bakas ba sa buhay man bakas ba?
Could have helped the undeveloped. I mean, like how much did they spend for destroying destroying people's life, business, and livelihood. I mean, because of this, because of these Western wars for freedom, for freedom. Yeah, Tabawan, Jumarin, and I also saw I've been listening to Bajo songs, Jumarin, and Rajib, the channel name is the channel name is G Blind. So he has been posting a lot of videos about the Sinama songs or the Bajo songs, and I saw the number of likes and the number of views are like by hundreds of thousands, even a million, even millions. So yes, I am happy that there is the South Tubian, or South Tubian, especially Tabawan, is seen now. is being seen throughout the, throughout the Mindanao, at least the Mindanao now. All eyes on me, all eyes on me, so all ears on me, all ears on me, so yes. And also I saw the, now the Israel, has been bombing, for example, Lebanon, and I just saw one of the leaders that was chosen, the new leaders. They made it up. The name is like, was it to impress me? I don't speak Arabic. I don't speak Arabic. So I won't be doing anything. I won't be, Mr. X. No, I won't. I will not be welcoming you in the Arab countries. I am not Arab, so get killed by Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel. Benjamin Netanyahu. Now the group of Arabs. Who are trying the group of Arabs, the liars. The group of Arabs are trying to to imprison you. So just I know Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel. I know him just like me. I know how to teach. So I'm the best teacher, just like Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel. He's the best teacher. So, and these Arabs are supposed to be under Israel. Supposed to be under Israel because that's their God. Israel is their God. Israel is their God, and they worship God 5 times a day. Well, follow their God. They should follow their God. Israel is the God of the Muslims, so they should not complain about what Israel is doing to them, or they just renounce what they believe. They just have to renounce Israel completely, not just praising Israel 5 times a day and even more, and complaining about what Israel is doing. It's like, who is watching now? Manda! Manda, iti ako handa vlog, matabawan. Iti ako maglaka-laka, Manda. Iti ako maglaka-laka. Makay na Camilo. Iti ako maglaka-laka ilala ko, Manda. Ryan. Masilag mag-practice, boy. Iti ako maluma sa hek ko tatino sa alam ako maghinang laway bay si Lolong bay mag-message maako. Yung na tinimbon na puno inaano. Asal tati ko so pati nga ang amo kuno sin. Kalau kuno ako makalo anya sin iti ako pinaka ni ay sina itu. Iti ako pinaka ni sina itu ay pangano ko pangontribute. Kailangan ko maghinang. Minsan ba ako maghinang imbal ako makatabang. Ikan na kumbal maghinang lumanda rayang. Kan na kumbal maghinang imbal ako makatabang. Nag-apply ba tito? Na ito mag-start lagi ako mag-vlog ba tito? Dan tahun 2 tahun mindaan dayahan na ako. Nambal maghinang sa ko magkarayahan. Pero te, pasal pangiskulan mabuha makaginisan na ko ito. Ya makaraya ito. Ambal maghinang yun. Maghinang na sa kami mon. May nga ka magkarayahan. Kinang na kami mon. Pag kinang na kami mon, ambal magkamiskinan do te. Alam maghinang. Am na ka maghinang man danaangay. Alam na niya ano maghinang no magano mag-booking maglasini mahumanda raya na ilo na kamaluma ungote manda ilo na kamaluma maki Say, paso dito. Alam ba ko ito? Ta-invite ko. Tatakon ko kila ako. Kaya, say, ito si Dudoro. Si ano yun, ano? Say, si Man ito. How can Naway pala sa din. Mbala ko tao mag-TikTok itu rayang. Bakit kasawaan ko mag-TikTok itu manda? Aroy, tukal bilik kay kan anet bilik bay dahuan ya to beting ka. Bilik bay dahuan atau saddi na.
Apa?
Nga sana pen maghinang maluma lumanda siya nilo. Duangan dumaghinang ma anak ni luwa. Aroy, nasira judi nih. Pwede na maglay. Namanda tingnan na kami, batingan na pagsiwa bibilik. Pagkakanbi lumanda. Nakila kumanda. Amo wala na kamang batte ni bahal bangamdo niya karan nilo. Nacobaan na ko ina. Di para ako ito aniya patandaan may ito. Ako ito tidumakan TV kaginisan na iti asadi lagi ito na may kumahan nilo ma-aiwel magayang ilo na pinggapiing kayo ni kinasumuan kita. Hap lagi ito yung asadi ito. Ya kung tawawan tayong tumtawawan man. Alam bisan bay ko bay pulay ko bay laway. Ambay ko makanitawawan. Aba kumanusa-nusa.
Tao na ka mag-live.
Kasi
Sa na magpike ka makamili ka ni Lubana na tehe ka followers no ka gifts no.
ito nahilap tagi.
Nambagla ko na maluma sadya na kay Lutidul Maka ng kado habaran nilo.
Niyama.
Apo tinasaka ka.
Na niya gisan diri bilik ko na batita sabay kaluman ko sa dahuan kan ako balik ito na maingga lagi sa maingga sa patanda bang ba bisa itu
Nalingkat di sa ilo mong kambal usab ni halaw na ilo.
number bisa
Na may ilo na kayang puntunya niya tempat tinggal no. Hobay ko magano, hobay ko muli sandakan magtimbun.
na asal Dubai amaluatin na pagtimbunan na pinaan alam na niya hinang man na dapat tingnan na ilo.
Minsan na, binalo ka, cobaan, ujian.
Kahit kabisalan mo cobaan, sewaru mo kami minsan ilo. Galan niya, cobaan kabisalan.
Bate, na ako kahidupan magturon na
Na mute ilo ka may bilig bibay na huwan ito sa din.
Nabilik bay patunaan tay, tapi bilah yang kuam bilik sedih yang murah-murah
Mute bay sa ano sabi ya kabilabon sa bay na huwan ibay.
Na, masih ya bay patunaan tay.
Now ya bay na huwan ni. Pepat lang sa bay na huwan minan may katunaan tabi.
Iya, ndaw na masih magkulian.
Na banang sanang hati sa saka.
Na masih magkulian, masih may ito, na masih. Nanti so natapos bulan, buha miya bilik na, masih magkulian no.
Nangay pa ano may pabaran siya nilang ang
Nabay mo la isandakan ito.
nakilapin ba na
Nabay mo la isandakan. May nihalaw si Janet.
angay
Bay mo la isandakan nihalaw si Janet.
nasigan sa
Na si Janet isama.
sabi masa ang buti halasiano si bangsa mano ming bahala
Na wala min mahele iya. Min bahala Yun sa siya to'y makeli na siya ta makel si Udi. Amli kareta ko na makeli lote am katinaleponan na mana tao niya ta sayo no mura-mura.
kaya ita sayo kumaluma sa Jaguar lang ko pala
Mana kakilako sa kapalang nay baylo.
napalangan sa sumaan sa ko atau kalau kumaluk na jagaluma sa bakla pala maglum
Na ay hinang na sa he no ilo.
ay hinang sik na-retired na iya
Na jadi malumasada na kam karuangan.
nambal niya ele yung mga malat sa ele mag-travel yung tinan nahe kasi nahe mo yung palwa sa PF naman
Oh, nayaylo ya. Kan ko sa kahap na mga na FPA pilo.
nasaan
Na pag sayo nung kailo na lugo sambatan no 2 taon minaan magkarayahan na ka.
nakalim 2 taon din na anong siya 2 taon labi 2 taon na niya kasama-sama na sa kuna
Na pasawar sabal na ka. Masya tibulong bola.
Ang panganak ko sa dibilig na mas sa kabiluan niya ko siyang hatos kung luhatos.
Iya masih siyam hatos miata itu kan tinahanan di may ito asusakan magpinda-pinda bilik kahit kaduaan.
Sana pure sa banda, sa buwan na eh. Nasaan na kamay lilo? Si Rylin, si...
Halwa ako makananak ko. Si Ewa, oo.
Ewa ilo. Ewa ilo.
Halwa ako makasakanak ko may ito.
Namanda, aso sa salihan.
Nah, isa ito pinikila ni ama na iya, amya ni ahina, amya asal tetap. Tapos to sewa siyam hatos.
Narating araway team manda.
Na okay, resabsyukur alhamdulillah. Yang penting kepuasaan ko nakatiyangan nangan ko naman ako magsusun kay Pito. Isan pa halos muda alam na ako niya na bay na tahinang.
Sana ay ko sa kung may tabang-tabang kailangan sa magdanakan ay.
Na halo ang ande niya ako nang ibu ang ande si Rahida 500 na hardway. Sintay ba ang ande ni Kaka? Alam ba ang ande Kaka? Halbay ang buwas bantuan nay.
Ang nasa iya mag-business iya.
Ani anam ke.
Sa sayo dami lang sa banda.
Ani anam ke akatis kati. Why na kami man pasod bling-bling ito.
Kila ko magsanda pepi ito na kaya ba?
Why na pasod kami man bulan-bulawan ko Sampai sukay kami pepi ito ni anam ngigo.
Kasawan naman
Na magkulban, magtimbon. Barang sekarang naik.
Na saya na pa bay minili di si Lolong saya na pa si Imi kalam bay mulai man
Mano ya alam bay si Imi ya alam hal bay si Ibik ang dahatos si Tommy dahatos si Ika 50.
na alam ba mulai pangandak ko di bahala ko si Lolong
Nabay ni bahala. Ano na, babante ka. Ito si Lolong niya. Ito mano ko
si Bagyo ma.
Sehab pala sana si Bagyo ma na.
Naturally.
Ching.
Sana pa yung bay mahele ya. Min kaya nga naman niya si Lolong.
Almano.
Namang mate sa bay pamian bay kam magta.
May bas, ano ben makabas. Sumpe may ben 350 tambang kami. Sumpe ito may bas. Tapi inapan yang mulai bang binanan ko sa Subhanahu wa ta'ala taapulin ko
Nasing
ya kita ngusaha kati
ko sa lang sa
ani ya ko ilo mana tahu magkarayahan ka buwanan no ako
na hindi kam ginawan luma
na mana tahu pagdayano hinangan na kurma batu umagay na ka
ay sa kam subay ni buwanan sin mana ba kaginisan niya bilan na kam luma
na iya beli nagtaluma matengah-tengah kayak gitu
na to ba yung sa
magkakos baran ko kati mas kila ko boy boy mabahala na boy perigi
Tooth decay and enamel erosion. Don't worry. Which actively remineralizes.
naku mama makatip-tip ito pahayain maka aylo
Bago tao magkakaay manda.
Ay, bayo na eh, nasay.
Kailan na sinan. Ikara na paginisan na, kiwak sa kita bahal sa kita mag-TikTok. Kasi itu ni-upload ko sa ko ni YouTube.
Oo, lagi ka magbatil-batilon dan si Dante si dayahan na eh, mag-content eh.
Ako, well, yan ako iti makaraya eh.
Dadaan pala to ng
Yeah, mga hikata sa YouTube.
papuntang Sitangkay, dadaan siya sa Cebu.
Naka na mag-content kay mana to. Dan si Dante magpalos ka rin na magbalian ni Nana na ba nanayay eh.
Okay lang sa tweet.
Ayun guys, inaano na rin yun.
Yung content yung hinang di sa
Hi Rajali. Thank you Hadir.
na okay naman dahil storytel, mandaman yung story, aman yung story.
Naman na story na pareho inako.
Nalating ka marin ka, ito.
Napaluwasin sa dyan ng balba maririko na pangagad ka.
Namang mata sa iyo. Na okay naman da, kamaya. Now I am watching Sitangkay Travel Itinerary visiting Forest Island of Tawi-Tawi, Venice of the South. Venice of the South. Venice of the South. Sitangkay. But yeah, let me watch something
So,
different.
ayan guys, welcome back to the channel. Dito na kami sa Sitangkay. Pag mababa yung tubig guys, hindi siya makakapasok dun sa looban talaga ng Sitangkay. So, need mo magpamasahe sa bangka. Pero mga pupunta na mga bangka dyan, tapos magpamasahe ka ng, I think pwedeng bigyan mo siya ng 50 pesos, 20 pesos, depende naman. Pag marami kayo, parang I think 20-20, or pag konti lang kayo, may bigay ng 50, 100, depende na yan siya kung magkano yung ibigay mo sa kanila. So yun guys, hunas, so bali transfer kami
Okay,
sa
I believe that's all. I will be uploading this live on YouTube. So those who are interested, go on my YouTube channel, Kebab Nusa Nusa South Obian, Toy-Toy Mindanao, Philippines. Ciao!
Sama-sama na. So pag taob naman guys, kung mataas